Bye. I'm ready to tell you how I made it happen in the sweet sauce and how I'm going to continue to take it more to the next level.
We got Bruce up on the track.
What's going on YouTube? It's Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors to bring you guys another official video. Okay guys, so I feel like I got the back done. As you can see, I went ahead and put some finishing pieces in there. I'm really happy with the way it looks. If you can just kind of look from this angle, it kind of contours outwards. Feeling really happy with the look. I think it really goes well with the car, the bumper, just in general. Man, I'm excited. So let me just show you this side again. As you can see, this is how it's going to look on the side. So it kind of has like it kind of vents outwards. So I showed you guys previously of how this looked before when I put the pieces in, and this is how it looks after I put the pieces in. So feeling really good. For those of you who are new to the channel, as usual, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a quick snippet of the kit in general, just so you can kind of see what I'm working with if you're new to the channel. This is a Audi A5 big turbo supercar build. So as you guys can see, it's looking pretty solid. So let me show you guys just so you can have a general idea of how wide this car is. A lot of people don't realize how wide this car is. All right, so let me just kind of show you guys. As usual, we have the Audi RS5 over there. Look at those clouds. It's beautiful, right? God is amazing. All right, so guys, as you can see, that's my tire right there, right? Open tire concept. I just love the way it looks. And if I come over here to the right, I extended the tire probably about an inch out. So that's pretty much going to be a spacer, but I want to show you guys how wide this car is going to actually be, right? So if you come right over here, I took off my other wide body kit. So this is where my car is sitting at just in general right now with the old wide body kit. I took off the front fenders and I took off the back fenders. So this is just kind of showing you guys, I don't know, maybe this should be my screenshot right here. I don't know. Just to show you guys just how wide it is. Let me go ahead and get this fender over here so you guys can see. This was my fender. As you can see, this is my old school fiberglassing technique. All right, so I'll come right over here and just kind of give you guys an idea. So this is how it was sitting before. Of course, it's not buttoned up, but as you can see, that's how it was sitting before, just to show you. And this new kit is going to be about 3.5 to 4 inches wider on each side. So guys, it's going to be a wide Audi, right? Just want to show you guys that. Okay. So with that being said, as you can see, I'm getting ready to start the other side of the kit. Super excited. So we're going to go ahead and see how that goes. I'm going to replicate the other side. I'm going to do my best to measure. I was going to do some 3D printing, but first I got the measurements down. I'm going to go ahead and just make it and just kind of do the old school tactic and just use my measuring skills, right? Before they had 3D printers, we had to do this on our own. So that's the way I'm going to do it. And I can get more of a good vibe and really good feeling with the kit. Had a couple of people that's been watching the build give me some good ideas. Like for example, we have a scoop right here that's going to retain air. So I am going to end up putting some slits right here, or having a funnel where it's going to come out through right here and exit right here. This is functional right here. I'm going to have to either make this 2 pieces right here, or just, as you can see, I kind of lined it out via the kit so I can open the door without any issues. So yeah, guys, pretty excited, right? This is what we're looking like so far on the kit. I think this might be the screenshot as well. And remember, guys, I was telling you guys, I'm gonna make this, put this on the RS5. So let me just kind of show you guys what I was talking about. If you look, all right, guys. So like I was saying, this is actually a Tesla rear diffuser, and I was gonna put it on the Audi RS5. This is just kind of give you a snippet of what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna kind of put this diffuser right here on the RS5, just so you can see it kind of lines up okay. So I'm gonna customize it on the RS5. It's gonna look pretty cool. So that's what I was talking about for the RS5. Please watch the build, guys. I'm excited. It's coming along really well. Man, it's gonna be a wide audit, guys. Thank you, guys. This is Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors. Peace, I'm out.